Gotten a few fast-moving showers. We have the threat for heavy rain. We have a severe threat as well. And we're thinking there will be two main rounds of rain. One this afternoon and evening. That one will carry the heavy rain and severe threat. And then a squall line moves through overnight with the actual cold front that's out to our west. So that will be a line of some ugly storms rolling through overnight, probably around or just after midnight. We stay very windy and we do dry out tomorrow. So today, very windy setup, and tomorrow still windy, although our winds shift from the southeast today, becoming westerly tomorrow. We're the level 3 out of 5 risk severe for severe out of these severe categories. And keep in mind the hatched area, as I pointed out, means strong tornadoes are going to be possible, EF2 plus. Not to say everyone's going to get that, of course, but we'll have that threat as we move through this afternoon and into tonight. Damaging wind gusts, the potential for some tornadoes, also a flooding threat. Those would be the main things we're watching. But as you look at the hail threat, there have been a couple of storms off to our northwest that have had hail. Doesn't look like quite as much of a concern. Here's a quick check on your timeline as you plan out your day. Noon to about maybe the next couple of hours, we'll have some scattered showers, couple storms. After roughly 3-4 p.m., that's where I think the severe risk will be increasing, because we'll have warmer air moving in and a more unstable environment. We may get a lull in the rain between roughly 8 p.m. to maybe 11 or midnight. That's not for sure. We may still have some rain, but it looks like that will be between the two rounds. Still windy though. And then after midnight through about maybe 3 or 4 a.m., it looks like that will be the squall line, and some of those storms along the line could be severe, just like the smaller cells or more discrete cells scattered about this afternoon. Both of the rounds bring the threat for severe weather. So far, though, we just have a few showers. We do have some lightning now showing up with this storm just outside of Hancock County. We have some stronger storms out to our west and a severe thunderstorm warning here in the yellow box not far from Lake Charles. There's the warm front that needs to move to the north this afternoon to help the severe weather threat, or increase the severe weather threat and help it to get going this afternoon. We've got clouds. Our temperatures are in the lower 60s. By the way, where you see the outages, that is not having to do with our map or system or anything. That's a NOAA outage that is affecting a lot of the southern part of the U.S. right now, so hopefully they'll get that fixed. The FAA is working on it now, but this is the information that is available right now. And those gusts up to about 30 plus miles per hour, but we're expecting them close to maybe 50 plus as the system gets going later this afternoon. Here's our planner with Precision Cast. This is by 4 p.m. Warmer air moving in, especially south of the warm front. We will have some of these cells that could bring high wind gusts and could also start rotating. So this is when we'll really be watching closely for the tornado potential and also some damaging wind gust potential. This is 6 p.m. and you can see still some rain, but interestingly, here's that little bit of a lull in the nighttime hours. Fast forward to about 11 though, and look, this model wants to bring in the line already starting to affect our area. It has it right over a lot of our North Shore, South Shore spots by about midnight or 1 a.m. Exact timing could still change a little bit though. And then here is the front. So here we go, pushing through to 3-4 a.m. The line is already mostly to the east, and 7 a.m. tomorrow there might be a stray sprinkle, but we're drying out for tomorrow. I don't think we'll have big weather problems early in the day, but it will still be windy, just not quite as gusty as today. Checking your planner, here is what we're expecting. Highs today brushing 70 as that warmer air moves in. High chance of rain in the afternoon to early evening, and then again at night, as I've been saying. And keep in mind, we do have a flood watch for street flooding possible. 2 to 4 or so inches are expected. We also have a high wind warning. That's for those gusts near 50 plus miles per hour, starting now all the way through 3 a.m., about when the line will have passed. And there's also some coastal flooding. So in the green, that's about 1 to 3 feet. The yellow, though, that's about 2 to 4 feet along our shorelines, thanks to those sustained winds. So a lot to talk about today. We'll be with you all through this event. Keep your phone charged, keep your app up, keep turning us on, and find us online as well, because we'll have many updates coming today and tonight. And then tomorrow, windy, dry, and cooler, and we may have another round of rain moving in Friday.